If you thought Sony was going to rest after dominating the high-resolution camera market, you are entirely mistaken. The camera world just experienced a massive shift with the official announcement and rollout of the groundbreaking Sony A7R VI. For years, landscape, commercial, and studio photographers faced a frustrating compromise. If you wanted mind-blowing resolution, you had to sacrifice speed, processing power, and high-end video specs. But Sony just shattered that compromise completely. In this video, we are breaking down everything you need to know about the newly released Sony A7R VI, its official release timeline, its staggering price point, and the revolutionary technology that makes it one of the most powerful cameras ever built. To understand why the arrival of the Sony A7R VI is such a monumental turning point for the industry, we have to look at what came before. The A7R VI was an incredible tool, praised for its AI processing unit and sharp resolution, but it was still bound by traditional sensor readouts. Professional sports shooters, fast-moving wildlife photographers, and hybrid creators always wanted the insane detail of the R series combined with the blistering speed of a flagship stacked sensor. Sony listened. When Sony officially pulled the curtain back on the A7R VI, they didn't just tweak a few menu options, they completely re-engineered the core architecture of high-resolution imaging. Let's talk about the star of the show, the sensor. The Sony A7R VI features an astounding 66.8 effective megapixel back-illuminated fully stacked XMR RS CMOS sensor. Let that number sink in. This is not just a high-resolution sensor, it is a fully stacked sensor. Up until now, truly stacked sensors with ultra-fast readout speeds were restricted to ultra-expensive sports flagships like the Sony Alpha 1 series. By bringing a fully stacked architecture to a near 68 megapixel resolution tier, Sony has eliminated the traditional bottleneck of slow electronic shutter readouts. The sensor readout speed on the A7R VI is blisteringly fast, dropping rolling shutter distortion to virtually zero. What does a fully stacked high-resolution sensor mean for your actual day-to-day shooting? It means you can shoot full-resolution, uncompressed 14-bit RAW images at an astonishing 30 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. Imagine standing at the edge of a coastline capturing crashing waves, or tracking a fast-moving animal in the wilderness, and being able to pull 68 megapixel frames out of a high-speed burst sequence where every single hair and droplet of water is rendered with microscopic precision. Furthermore, the A7R VI supports RAW pre-capture, meaning the camera continuously buffers images the moment you half-press the shutter, ensuring you never miss a split-second action moment again. To process this mountain of visual data, Sony paired the sensor with the next-generation Bion's XR2 processing engine. This new processor doubles the computational muscle of previous generations, enabling advanced real-time AI recognition. The autofocus system on the A7R VI takes intelligent subject tracking to a terrifyingly accurate level. Whether you are shooting humans, animals, birds, insects, cars, trains, or airplanes, the camera locks onto subjects instantly and refuses to let go, even if they turn away from the frame or pass behind obstacles. Image stabilization has also received a massive, industry-leading upgrade. The A7R VI features a redesigned 5-axis in-body image stabilization system capable of delivering up to an incredible 8.5 stops of compensation when paired with compatible stabilized G-Master lenses. Think about what 8.5 stops of stabilization means for a high-resolution camera. You can leave your tripod at home, shoot handheld in near pitch-black conditions at very low ISO settings, or capture multi-second long exposures of waterfalls and cityscapes completely handheld without a hint of motion blur. For studio and landscape photographers who demand absolute perfection, the A7R VI introduces advanced multi-shot pixel shift modes. By combining multiple sequential exposures into a single ultra-detailed composite image inside the updated imaging software, you can generate files with massive resolution leaps, completely free of color moire or pixel artifacts. Additionally, the camera delivers an expanded dynamic range utilizing advanced dual conversion gain processing, retaining incredible detail in harsh highlights and deep shadow areas. Now, let's talk about video performance, because the A7R VI is just as much a cinema monster as it is a photographic powerhouse. In the past, high-resolution cameras often struggled with heavy overheating, severe rolling shutter, or aggressive video crops. The A7R VI completely changes the game. It supports internal 8K recording at 30 frames per second oversampled from a massive 10K sensor area, delivering pristine, razor-sharp cinematic footage. If you prefer shooting in 4K, the camera offers uncropped, full-frame 4K video at up to 120 frames per second when utilizing the high-speed readout capabilities of the stack sensor. This means you can capture buttery smooth 4K slow motion at cinematic frame rates without sacrificing your field of view. Combined with professional 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, S-Log3 gamma curves, S-Cinetone color science, and custom user LUT imports, the A7R VI slots effortlessly into high-end professional cinema workflows as an A camera or a high-resolution B camera. To support these intensive professional workflows, Sony built the body to withstand the harshest environmental conditions. The chassis is constructed from lightweight, rigid magnesium alloy with comprehensive weather sealing gaskets around every door, dial, and port. The electronic viewfinder is an absolute masterpiece, a high-resolution 9.44 million OLED EVF with adjustable refresh rates, high brightness settings, and zero noticeable blackout during high-speed continuous bursts. For storage, the A7R VI features dual card slots supporting ultra-fast CF Express Type A cards alongside high-speed SD cards, ensuring that massive 68-megapixel RAW files and high bitrate 8K video streams clear instantly from the buffer without slowing you down. Connectivity has also been modernized with tri-band Wi-Fi, super-speed USB-C tethering, and full support for professional audio accessories like Sony's digital XLR adapters. So, when can you actually get your hands on this camera, and how much does it cost? Sony officially announced the Alpha 7R VI, with global pre-orders opening immediately and retail shipping rolling out globally. The body-only retail price is set at $4,499.99, roughly €5,000 in Europe. While a flagship price tag of $4,500 is a serious investment, consider what Sony has packed into this single body. You are getting the ultimate resolution of a specialized studio camera combined with the raw speed, stack sensor technology, and 30 frames per second burst rates of a sports flagship, alongside elite 8K cinema capabilities. For working professionals, commercial studios, and passionate landscape or wildlife creators who refuse to compromise, the Sony A7R VI delivers unmatched value. If you are currently deciding whether to upgrade your gear, the choice is clear. The Sony A7R VI is available right now, and it represents the absolute pinnacle of mirrorless engineering. Head over to your authorized dealer, check out the official specs, and secure your order, because this camera is redefining what high-resolution photography and video production can achieve for the next decade.